Okay, before refinement and optimization, one method is left to delete a user. So we need to perform this delete a user. So let's quickly create a user that we want to delete. So it will be a test and test at test 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6. The role will be user and company assign finance and okay accounts status active submit. So user is created test, and when we click on delete, so are you sure you wish to proceed? Yes, and it will go to take a ID 7. Okay, in our user controller, so here is the method delete. So we need to find that ID first, ID, and then we'll say users user will use a model user, and we'll need to find that ID, otherwise it will delete all the user from the database. So this user, and the method is delete. It will delete the user, and we will return redirect to a root, redirect back, because we are in index, so we will return to same page back with error, and this string record deleted. And if I go to web.php to a root file, so here we are getting delete ID and user control delete method name user.delete. So, excuse me, a user.delete, and in an index file we are sending this user to delete and user ID. So okay, let's save it and quickly check the newly created user in our database table, user table. So the new user test is created by an admin 1. Okay, let's remove. Also we can check in a user detail. 7 is created, user ID, and we will going to delete this side. Okay, refresh. Parse error sentence unexpected bracket. Expecting, we are not giving, terminating the statement. Save it, refresh. Okay, let's delete this user. Are you sure? Yes, proceeded. And error record deleted. We can check in our database user table. This test user is now deleted. So in a user detail, the 7 user is also deleted, and it's departments and the companies. Okay. Okay, let's go to edit, and we have an issue of permission. Let's inspect this. Permission. This column and permission div. We need to go to where edit dot blade.php, and here the permissions. So this div is closing here, and this div is closing here, but it is not highlighting. I mean, there is the error. Let's check it. Div php and this angle bracket is closed here, but not the div angle bracket. So save it and close the inspection, refresh. See, we have fixed that issue. Permission, good, great. So delete, we have deleted user. Now we need to optimize the code. We will optimize it. Stay tuned.